Year after year, I felt stuck. I didn't think that I could actually make trading work. I thought that I wasn't smart enough. I thought that I needed a finance degree at literal minimum. I thought I needed to have gone to school for a lot longer, been much more financially literate, had either an economics degree, anything. I thought maybe Wall Street savvy. It was all wrong. I didn't need any of that. I grew my trading account from $5,000 to $500,000. Whether you are a 9-to-5er working full-time or multiple jobs like I did, whether you have zero experience, which I also had no experience, or maybe you're someone that's gotten into trading, but you just haven't found the success, you maybe fell off because you didn't see the progress or you didn't see the success you were looking for in the amount of time that you were doing it, trading is an opportunity like no other. I have achieved the life that every trader dreams of. I'm living a realistic, incredible life. This is truly a skill that you can learn, that there is no qualifications. You don't have to have any sort of degree. You don't need to look any type of way. You don't need to fit any kind of box. This is truly the coolest skill that you can learn to generate income. I am living proof that anybody can do this. We got another record trade.
Awesome.
I was able to close $40,000 trade in platinum this morning.
Wow. Isn't that crazy?
It's so crazy. The secret, it wasn't a complex strategy. It wasn't some scientific mathematical formula. It was one simple system that was repeatable, that I could do over and over again. Whether you're working full-time, like I was, or if you have no experience in the markets whatsoever, for the first time ever, I am revealing everything that I know, everything that taught me years to get to in my Trader in 3-Day Challenge. This is a live event, but it's virtual, so anybody can attend. I'm gonna share with you guys the lessons that took me years to figure out. So even if you have never traded before, that's where I started. Zero experience. Don't even think that you fit the category. Or if maybe you started and you haven't made the progress. Or even if you started and didn't see that progress you wanted and fell off, this is gonna be the event for you.
Just think, one day you were saying, wow, what is this trading stuff? Super exciting. I tell you, you got some gifts. You got a topic that the world's interested in.
If there's one thing for sure, you're gonna walk away with the confidence to place your first trade after this event and have the roadmap to making this a full-time career. The same system that turned my $5,000 into over $500,000. Oh my god, it's so cool! It's official, I decided to move to Nashville.
Oh my god! No way!
September 14th through 16th, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Make sure to secure your spot now.